Okay, here we are in Ogden, Utah. There's Union Station way down there. This is the famous downtown Ogden. Pompey Road. Lots of restaurants along here. Yep, this is Friday afternoon. People getting out of work early, starting to get busy. Got a car tailgate me. They're in a rush.
Back up.
Yep.
It's nice here at night time, a mini Christmas light.
Yep. Nighttime's not for another 3 more hours, though. Union Station. The front runner might actually stop there. I'm not sure. Might be the last. It's the last stop in Ogden. I think it goes to North Ogden. No, this is Central Ogden. I'd like to go inside there. See the old Union Station.
Yeah.
There's the Ogden Bridge. This goes to the other part of Ogden. They have a minor league baseball team here called the Ogden Raptors. And it is right over here. There it is. I can't turn. The car's right next to me. So look, you can see the mountains in the background. Hotels.
Courtyard here.
A lot of place to eat here.
There's the church.
Oh, is that the church?
I don't know. Look like a church.
There's all the eateries. There's baked potato. They sell baked potatoes. Who would have thought, right?
Sweets.
There's a church. What church is that?
I don't know.
We'll go up there and drive past it.
Okay.
Zoom in. There's the church with the mountains in the background.
Coastal Loan. Traffic light.
Yep. Okay. There's the church. Or is it a church?
What's that?
Looks like a church, but maybe not. Maybe it's an old building. Let's see if there's a sign in there.
Irons.
No, that's not it. Yep, St. Joseph's Church. It's Catholic. Adams Avenue. Looking right down into Ogden.
What's wrong with song?
I don't know. So we got a red light up there. Very bumpy road. Roads are in bad shape. Looks like high school students getting out. They get the backpack. There we are, Washington Avenue in Ogden. Some pretty nice old buildings there. Going to, I think, 25th Street. There it is, downtown. What's this guy doing? Oh, yeah, nice view. There we are. This is the famous downtown Ogden again. Have a big Christmas show here.
Yeah.
They have Christmas lights and Santa Claus, all kinds of things here.
The small house.
And there it is. Yeah, that's nothing. That's what you want. Factory. Yeah. It's very small. Ogden. I mean the downtown area. For the Italian restaurant here. See if you see anything. Ah, is that it? That's Roosters. Roosters Brewery. Craft burger. Zuka. What's this? Ah, I get the sun. No Italian restaurants? Thought there was a famous Italian restaurant there. These are old factory buildings turned into restaurants and offices. Good. Karen's Cafe. Cold Stone Creamer. You can read, RJ? Noodles. RJ can read. You see Italian restaurant? Is that it? What's the name of that place? Couldn't see the sign. Alice's.
Salon Blue.
It's gonna go right into the sun. So it's getting late. 2:21. You need to do this at noon. Yeah. Okay, that's it. What else do you want to say? Ogden's mainly an old town. Let's go up to the South Ogden. Chili's. They have Chili's up there by the mall. You ready for some lunch? Huh?
Yep, I'm ready now.
Okay. Go to Chili's.
I'm hungry now.
I'm hungry for what? No.
We have a hamburger here if you want it. Mommy, break it into pieces. And we'll stop and get happy meal, okay? Where's the mall? I forgot. There's the 84. Must be straight. Everybody's got Jeep Wranglers here. Ready for the big snowstorms. Okay. Wait till we get to the mall. Hey, need a coat? They have a lot of coats in there. There's Dillard's. They have a lot of clothes you might like.
Dillard's.
The Ogden Mall. They have a Sears in here still. They haven't closed Sears yet? I heard they closed the Sears down in Salt Lake City. They closed it. Something that was open back in the 40s. They closed it. And this is...
Mr. Mop.
It's gone now. Wanna go to Sears? About time pub and grub. Yep, nice houses. I like them. Garages in the back. Some of them are run down, some are in good shape. Ogden Mountain, Wasatch. Wasatch Front. Wasatch Mountains. Bumpy road. It's going to be a bumpy video.
Bumpy.
Yeah, I think too. It's going to be horrible. Although we don't get snow here anymore. It's already December 1st. Usually the mountains are snow capped. We got nothing.
Yeah, no more snow.
A lot of the ski
better.
areas are opening late. They're having problems.
It's better because it's so cold.
Oh,
What's that there, RJ?
St. Joseph Catholic High School.
Oh,
St. Joseph Catholic High School.
that's
There's
so
the
far
map.
away.
Dude,
Yeah. They hide there.
they hide the school, nice and private.
Yeah.
And there is the mountains. A little bit of snow way up there.
No snow in there. Oh, there in the top.
Let's see what it looks like. I'll zoom in.
Daddy. Can you see that view, Daddy?
I see it, yeah. Nice view.